Hi, I wanted to hop on here and share a little more about the vision of my Discord community. It's starting to grow fast and my following is growing more, and I just want to make sure there's clear expectations because my Discord is not a place where you're going to come and learn how to trade. My vision for my Discord is a community of support, a community of like-minded traders. We're trying to still figure it out. We're making mistakes still. Maybe we're strategy hopping. We don't all trade the same. I have a weekly call where we come and just talk about the trading week. And I really like to hear what people struggled with because I don't think that gets addressed enough. A lot of Discords like to have the wins channels, and I know that could be very discouraging. So not that we don't celebrate wins, we do celebrate wins. I had one recently. A girl shared that she reached her second payout, but what I loved about her share specifically is the payout before her second payout was 10 months prior. And that is just raw. That is real. That is people don't really talk about hey, you might reach a payout and then it might be a very long time before you get a second one. So just having a group of people who can just bring to the table what it's really like in trading, the transparency. Maybe you just had a week where you kept breaking your rules. Maybe you got stuck in a trade because you removed the stop loss. Maybe you just are feeling defeated because you're doing everything right and you're still losing. Maybe your win rate is down. Maybe you don't realize it doesn't matter if your win rate is down because you can be a successful trader with a 40% win rate. I just want to invite these type of conversations because social media is really messing with the trading industry. And I truly believe that if more people would just share openly about what it's like learning to trade, then maybe the success rate wouldn't be so terrible. Only 1% to 4% of people are successful in the trading industry. Maybe it's because of all the smoke and mirrors. I know for me, I would see all the Lambos and the watches and the vacations, and I would just think, I'm never gonna make it. Why am I still struggling? Or you just want to give up because the expenses it takes to keep trading. There's ways that you can even earn while you're learning, and people don't discuss these kind of things. It's where can we come together and have honest conversations about trading? Why does it have to always look so glamorous on social media? Because it's not glamorous, and this is why people quit. So I know that some people will come into the Discord and look around and they're not seeing signals, they're not seeing strategy, they're not seeing what isn't a typical Discord. So I just wanted to make this video to share that I'm trying to create something different. I'm trying to create a transparent space where it's just a group of support, So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you want to connect with other traders, new traders, I do attract a lot of mom traders for some reason because I'm Momma Trades, but I would love to see you join us. Come in, introduce yourself. I will probably be doing some prop firm giveaways in February to my Discord exclusively. So I truly hope that I see you on the inside. You can click on the link to check it out. Fill out a few questions. I do have a little application because I like to make it clear before you enter that I do not sell signals. I do not copy trade. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So unfortunately, scammers are already stealing my name. There's a huge account on TikTok of me. That's not me. I can't do much but explain to you that I'm not selling you anything. You can't copy trade me. I'm still learning. So you'll see those questions, fill those out, and then come in and say hi. I can't wait to meet you.